Let's check a compound verb in Kurdish, and our compound verb is Rûniştin, rûne, the first one. And let's see the conjugations for this one. As rûdinim, this rû is a compound particle, and for the second person we say to, rû, then the for the present tense suffix, to, rûdine. This is the second part of the verb stem. Then you say rûdinî. This is the simple present tense suffix and the person pronoun suffix. Then third person will be ev. We say ev rûdine for saying she or he is sitting. Razan, raze. This is also a compound verb. We'll keep this present perfect compound prefix. So you say as, ra, as. Râzım will be our word, our conjugation. I am sleeping, and you say to, râzı. To râzı will be you are sleeping, and you say ev râze. Ev râze, she or he is sleeping.